Alright, so we just did all that work, cleaning the roof and getting all the mold off and putting a whole new coating up there. Looks great. Now it's time to get the rest of it. Let's do some pressure washing. Alright. Alright, got half the back done, you could definitely tell, and got the front done. Quiet down, ducks. Camera must have shut off at some point, but I'll show you the before and after. I mean, you could tell, that looks awesome. Looks brand new again. Yeah, just regular maintenance. Keeping it clean, getting the mold off. Looks great. Alright, let's finish the back, get the other side and the front here. Alright, since some of the footage got cut out there, all we did was take some of our betterboat boat soap. This stuff is great, getting mildew off, all that stuff. All you're going to do is soak it down with this and then scrub it really good, and then go ahead and spray it off and then scrub again. Couple scrubs, get all the mold off. You'll see that just spraying alone won't get the mold off, and I'll show you. But yeah, great stuff here. So you can see I just sprayed this, but it's still got like a dirt grime algae film on there, so mold. You really have to scrub it again because the pressure washer won't take it off by itself. It'll do the majority of it, but it still will leave it, so lots of scrubbing. Alright, looks good. Let's start over on this side. And you can see this is what we're dealing with across the whole thing. Just mold everywhere. Mold, algae, whatever. But it'll be nice and bright, just like that. So now we're going to use the soap gun. And this is the first thing you want to do is get some good soap on there. Start breaking up the algae and growth and everything on there. Soak it down really good. Now we start scrubbing. And you can see all the dirt coming off this thing. Let's go ahead and get the other side of the slide. That way we can go ahead and put this in. All right, so now we're gonna get the slide. And you can see just how filthy this is. Dirty, moldy, algae. It's all through here. All right, let's start scrubbing. See how filthy this is. Get it clean. And put it on water. So you could tell the difference. You wouldn't know it when it's all covered like that. You'd think that's not too bad then. But we still have to go over it a couple more times. Still see some grime. And also the rollout up there. You can see where it's all moldy up there. And then we scrubbed it, got it all off over on this side. Yeah, you can see the mold up there. Then we got it all off there. Looking good though. You can see the mold up there. Then we just brushing it right away. All right, so now we can get the top there and get the rest of this, and then we'll be able to pressure wash. All right, it's looking good. So let's go get the pressure washer and we'll finish it off here. Get those rims too. thing to do is the front here. And yeah, you can see the grime. This will be a quick one though. Let's go ahead and soap it down and start brushing it. We got approval from our ducks. They say it looks good. Don't forget duck patch and duck coating is what we used on this. But yeah, what a difference. 100 times better. Now it's all set. New roofing all done, all coated. Got all the junk and crap off of here. Everything looks good. Alright, so we're all set here. Make sure to check out the video on doing the roofing, and we've got a bunch of other videos on installing the toilet, lights, all types of different stuff. So once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.